So my must my exam yo napton nonge. How long we been here?
40 minutes.
40 minutes. It's been an hour.
It has not been an hour. Don't let your breast erase time.
Yeah.
Shit.
Anyway, nous avons 1h10 depuis nous là.
Don't lie in Creole also. It's been an hour. Li ba foot in
Même li gen 1h10 parce que me grand goût. Napton mon là nous rete n'a plutôt parler bagay ça.
It's been an hour because I'm hungry.
Me grand goût en pile parce que depuis matin beaucoup manger.
I'm really hungry because it's
What are you doing?
I don't understand what you're saying, Lilith.
Ain't no subtitles, bitch.
Lilith, like I'm lost. Like it's not even like the only thing I know in English in French is un deux trois quatre cinq six.
Okay, but I'm not speaking.
Not She's called the police.
Listen, you're better. Some woman tried to teach me Creole and she said it's uno dos tres cuatro. I shit you not. They were laughing because I was like, somebody teach me Creole, because everybody always comes into my space and speaks fluent Creole, and I'm like, guys, I promise you, I'm not Haitian. Like, I know it's by association, maybe penetration, but not like.
Li pa Haitian, li se Jamaican.
I'm Jamaican?
Yes.
Yeah, that's what I said.
Okay.
Oh, and this one. Payet figu naughty feeling.
Oh, hi.
Did you say? Were you about to say get to my mom?
Yes, I was. Yes, I was. I didn't know I was on camera. I didn't know.
So nous venons Taco Tuesday because today's Tuesday.
Have you said go book again?
Nous voulons tacos, but nous gen kan semaine de nous chita là. Moi me gan go mo k'ap déborder si m'a manger, m'a tout yon moun.
She said if she don't eat, she gonna kill somebody.
Listen, me too. I'm not going home.
Because I'm hungry.
She said she's gonna make sure it's clean.
I'm so short. So you guys are doing shots, right?
I do shots. I also
Don't be a hater. Don't be a hater. Don't be a hater.
All night, wait for play before I feed your appetite. Wait for yes, Can we have some forks, please? Those are the shots, right? Can you take a video of us taking the shots, please?
2, 1, go.
I saw this meme this week. It was like, dudes get their haircuts, all of a sudden they got 20.
For my birthday dinner, I had 2 wings and 2 fried dumplings, and I was done for. Like, I was full.
Do you ever feel weak? Or you might be anemic.
But I'll drink.
That's not
I got a feeling.
That's you being Jamaican.
I get a feeling that I never
Alright, who wants my drink?
Oh, sometimes I got a feeling.
No, you keep.
Basketball and soccer, and everyone's talking. It's like,
Birthday girl. Bless you. Birthday girl. Hey, hey, hey.
Lily. Oh my god. Oh my god. It's the
No buke manje se nou brel mama.
Yeah, it's what I thought. It's 71 each. Plus tip.
Oh, okay. Alright. So nou brel mama manje pou nan la kan nou. Who you gonna use?
I'm a whole rich and I'm working on but the hate is so real. No we started with try, no try, but just the packet no try.
Taki rumba. Okay, so mwen ve la kam konya se la ma fe men ti vlog la, se premi vlog am. Mwen souwete ke nou te remen vlog la. They have fun ensemble avec zami mieux, so napre la prochaine fois pas oublier abonner, like, commenter dans vidéo. So napre une prochaine fois. Bye.